In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel PayPal automatic payments. If you want to stop a recurring charge or end a payment connection with a merchant through PayPal, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can manage it Basula and make sure the automatic payment is no longer active. Start by signing into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will take you into your account settings, which is where PayPal keeps many of the controls related to your profile, security, and payment preferences. After you open Settings, go to the Payments tab. This section is specifically where you can review the ways PayPal handles transactions connected to your account, including ongoing or pre-approved payments. Inside the Payments section, select Automatic Payments. This is the area where PayPal lists any merchants or services that have permission to charge your account automatically. For example, this could include subscriptions, memberships, streaming services, app renewals, or any online service you previously approved for recurring billing. Once you're in automatic payments, you can manage your active automatic payments if you have any setup. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you choose the correct one. This is especially helpful if you have several subscriptions connected to your PayPal account. Next, select the automatic payment you want to stop. When you open it, you'll be able to review the details of that billing agreement. From there, choose the option to cancel it. After confirming the cancellation, that merchant should no longer be able to automatically charge your PayPal account through that payment agreement. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check the status after cancelling to make sure it shows as inactive or cancelled. That gives you confirmation that the change went through successfully. Also, keep in mind that cancelling the automatic payment in PayPal stops future automatic charges, but it may not always cancel the underlying subscription or service directly with the company, so if needed, you may also want to review the subscription on the merchant side. And that's all. That's how to cancel PayPal automatic payments.